Welcome to this 4-bedroom house for rent in Paarl, Western Cape, South Africa for R14,500 per month. Open to view, Wednesday 22nd February 16800-18 hours 00. Residential or commercial? This grand old lady was recently restored with the emphasis on traditional character and gracious living. Situated close to all amenities which include top schools, hospital and a village shopping center, was previously utilized commercially. Ideal to work from home, offering 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. No garage but ample open parking. Occupation March 1, 2017. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.